Nice. All right.
Okay.
So you guys, you're gonna want to do it just so you can see my fingers.
Okay.
All right. So the first thing we did is went over the guitar. Here's the headstock. These are tuning pegs. Actually, this part and this part are the same piece. This is the nut. This is the neck. On the neck, you have the fretboard, which is where you put your fingers. Each one of these spaces is a fret. And then I have stickers here, and then like a little inlay there. But you can see the dots here on the top. They go 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 15, 17. So after a while, instead of having to count to the 8th fret, you'll just know that this is 7 and 9, and 8 is in between. But that comes in time. Here's your bridge, and you got a sound hole, or a pickup, depending if you have electric or acoustic. So the first thing we did was our warm-up exercise, which is basically just teaching your left hand and right hand how to work together. It's kind of like going like this, but with your fingers. So you want to hold the guitar like this with your thumb back here, and there's space. So not grip like this, but like that. And always play right behind this metal bar. Not back here, but right there. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth. On the first, second, third, fourth fret. And your right hand's going to go down and up for every other note. So down, up, next string, all the way till you get to the top. And then do it all the way back. 4, 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, if that becomes too easy, start doing it starting on the up, which will feel kind of weird. So up, down, 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 up, down. And if that's too easy, then do each way, starting on the down and the up, going backwards. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then on the up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's 4 different ways to do it. It's really just trying to confuse yourself and get good at it so that no matter what direction you're going, you can do it. We did chords. So we did, this is your A chord. So if you're on my website, the very first one that has the diagram is an A chord. You don't play the E, and make sure you can hear every string very clearly. And always try to get your fingers as over to the fret bar as possible. This one is kind of tough, so it's okay. And make sure that this finger isn't touching the high E string, not like this. And it also helps to have a good arc to come high off the strings, not like at an angle. We also did A minor, which looks like this. And lastly, we did Super Mario Brothers, so it'll sound like this. So that's going to be 9 3 times on the high E, 1, 2, 3, 10 on the B, back to 9 on the E, and then my pinky goes to 12 on the E. The 12th fret always has this like funky inlay. And then first finger on 9 on the G. 9, 9, 9, 10, 9, 12, 9. The next part is 6 notes. 7 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 on the B, 9 on the G, 11 on the D. So bump, 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 bump. And the next part goes 11 on the G, 9, 8 on the B, back to 11 on the G. So one more time.